Alright, YouTube, so I'm at the Pilot here. It's over there. See the Pilot in Williamsburg, Kentucky. And I'm gonna head over to this Walmart over here. Sometimes you get pretty lucky and you can find a truck stop with a Walmart right next to it. That's why I stop at this particular shit we got going on over there. We get the cops. That's why I stop at this particular Pilot, so I can stay at the truck stop and I can park at the Walmart. But as you see, we got other trucks parking here for the night anyways at the Walmart. So some Walmarts allow truck parking, as I'm sure a lot of you know, and some Walmarts don't. So you kind of gotta use your best judgment. You can look on certain trucking apps and whatnot and figure out which Walmarts allow truck parking. But we are just gonna go in here and I'm gonna show you what to look for in a Walmart for vegan options if all you have is a oh my god, if all you have is a microwave. So you don't have a rice cooker, you don't have an outlet in your truck to do a skillet or anything like that. I'm going to show you microwavable meals, and any truck stop you stop at, if you have a microwave in your truck, or you can stop at the truck stop and you can use most microwaves in the truck stops. They don't really care. So we're gonna go in here real quick. So like I said, I'm in Williamsburg, Kentucky. So if I can find the vegan options here, then you can find them anywhere. Not a very vegan friendly city, it looks like, but pretty much all Walmarts have the same stock, and there is stuff you can find. So here we go. Anybody online here that see that vegan foot soldier and Primal Edge debate that happened the other day? Can someone explain to me a little bit more how that went down? So they had a debate that didn't end up getting uploaded, and then they had a talk after the debate, and then they had another debate the next couple days, and that debate was the one that got uploaded. So apparently Primal Edge kicked Foot Soldier off of the debate the night before. Am I mistaken in that? Did he not kick him off? I don't know, but if that's the case, then that explains why Vegan's Foot Soldier was kind of like docile in the debate and not really pressing him on very many things. Just kind of letting him get away with saying that the vegan movement has been hijacked by George Soros and everything. If that was the case, and there was some grand conspiracy to turn the world vegan, I wouldn't have to be going over to Walmart right now to buy my vegan food. I would be able to there would be a million options, vegan options at that Wendy's that was just at the truck stop, and I could just eat vegan every night at the truck stop. But no, there's like 2 vegan options at Wendy's, which I'll go into later. But all right, so I just got my water here. Soy milk, obviously everybody knows soy milk. You know, obviously we got sodas, obviously vegan, not the best, but They are vegan. I normally grab the bubblies here. I like the grapefruit flavor. Okay, so let's go back down this way and start from the beginning here. Here is your milks that aren't gonna be like your regular Silk or Almond Breeze soy milk and almond milks. These are like, they got the rice milks, coconut milks. And that's the good thing about plant-based milk, is that you don't have to refrigerate it, so you can just buy a bunch of these and stock up on it. I'm not sure how long, like, the shelf life of these are, but I don't really drink too much. If I do, it's just a couple swigs to just make sure I got all my... So... And here's the chip aisle. Obviously, the base of most chips are vegan, but you need to check. It's going to be the toppings, so you're going to be looking for the cheese and the whey toppings, obviously. But the only chips that I would really get, which aren't really chips, are these pretzels. A little bit better for you. Almonds, obviously. But I'm just going to show you guys what I normally get. So we're going to, just to give people some ideas here. Cliff Bars, cereal. Always keep a box of cereal. I need to get some oatmeal, so I'm going to go get some oatmeal real quick. Always keep some sort of granola or cereal with almond milk on the truck, because that's going to be something that if anything goes down, you get stranded. Like, that's food for days. And Quick Oats. As long as you have Quick Oats and water, that's food for days. I don't even know if you would technically, yeah, you'd probably need water to digest Quick Oats, but Quick Oats are supposed to be, you know, like, you don't really need to do anything with them, really. So, there we go. So, and there's more sparkling waters if you like sparkling waters. I know a lot of people don't. So don't judge me here. I'm trying to get off of these sugar-free Red Bulls I drink, but I mean, they are vegan, so I know they're not the best health-wise, but I just like them. Okay. So, Powerades, obviously, juices, good to go on those. Got your spices down that aisle. Okay, so here's what we want here. Excuse me. So we are just doing microwavable ideas right now. So those beans that I just showed you, obviously good to go. Obviously, if you had an outlet, you could probably, I don't know if you could cook the dry beans, but obviously that would be the better lower waste version of how to do this. But like I said, we only have a microwave, so gonna need to get beans in a can, gonna need to get rice in a pouch. So, you know, it's kind of a give or take. Do you want to be vegan out on the road, or do you want to, you know, have a little bit more waste? Unfortunately, it's just something. So these sweet chili bowls, I normally grab a couple of these. They're they're kind of expensive for ramen, but they're not really ramen. They're a lot better. So I just grab one of those. These are normally vegan, so they got the, ooh, I'm gonna grab the teriyaki kind here instead. There we go. I normally grab one of those, and just to keep in the truck. So nothing else really here. So I normally get these rice packs, 90 seconds in the microwave, good to go. Obviously more waste, but like I said, I only have a microwave and I gotta eat. So rice packs, I normally get the basmati and the jasmine. Can somebody explain something to me? How, so they say white rice is better than brown rice, right? But you look at basmati, look at that, like pretty good vitamins in there, okay? And then you go over to the brown rice and you look, and it's like less in everything. It's like it's got less vitamin A, less calcium, less thiamine, less folate. I mean, like less iron. So is jasmine and basmati not considered white rice? You know, confused. You got your hot sauce, your soy sauce, obviously very important. And let's go ahead, grab another peanut butter here. I do the Smart Balance creamy peanut butter here. So here's all your peanut butter, honey, fuck that shit. Dressings, I mean, probably like the oil and vinegar dressings are like the only ones. Skirt. Okay. Mixed fruit, I grab a couple. Here. Mixed fruit, obviously assuming that you have a fridge and with a little mini freezer, I can normally fit 3 of these bags in my little mini freezer on the truck. And then I put 1 of these in the fridge to thaw out for the next day. So we got the fruit. Sometimes I'll look and see what they got over here. Like maybe I will pad thai, tofu, vegetables. Should I try it? Try it. Cook it tonight. Fuck it. Try one of those. Oops. Says vegan, so there we go. The Big Sur burritos, another option. You just need a microwave for those. Let's go here. Bread. You get bread, peanut butter, jelly, boom. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for days. Not gonna be able to eat anything down. the rest of these 2 aisles. Obviously, the non-dairy Ben & Jerry's ice cream. You know, if you have enough room in your freezer, good to go. Okay, so here we go. All right. And I normally go over here and I'll grab these, the ciabatta rolls. Most of their bread over, I mean, the ciabatta rolls, I think the whole wheat one, and they have a poppy seed one too normally. Those are vegan, so I normally get one of those. And these puppies right here, microwavable potatoes, good to go. Just make sure you don't get the one with cheese in it. I normally get, you know, and then obviously we got the produce, so I normally get avocados. I normally get apples. And then the last thing I need today to actually get, I'm just showing you guys what I always keep on the truck, but I only need to buy some of this stuff right now. So hummus, obviously. So that's it. So here's how my day looks. I mean, normally oatmeal and fruit. So we got the oatmeal, we got the fruit for breakfast. And then I normally do for lunch, I do the ciabatta rolls, the hummus, and the avocados for lunch. That's like a lunch idea. And then I'll have something with that, like my green apples or something. And then for dinner, I do the rice and beans that I showed you. So, you know, walk into the truck stop and heat those up in their microwave. So that's basically it. That's at least 3 solid meals at the trucks, at the Walmarts that you can get. And Walmarts, like I said, you can, the majority of them, you can park it there. Even if they don't allow you to park the whole day, just park there just to go shopping. And if anybody comes out and bothers you, just, you know, say you're a customer, you're here as a customer, can I go in and grab my stuff? And I'll be good. And then there's all this. Obviously these hot dogs actually do work pretty well in the microwave. They are not bad. So this is what I do as a truck driver out on the road, as a vegan who only has access to a microwave. So I'll upload some more videos and some more eating videos, show you guys exactly, you know, how I put this stuff together, if that's at all interesting. But anyways, that's basically all I have. Not sure the direction I'm going to take this channel. I don't really want to be a full trucking channel. I don't really want to be a full vegan channel or a full, you know, how to stay fit on the road channel. I just kind of want to upload cool videos and see what happens. So that's it, everybody. Hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll come back at you soon.